Protests around the country on both sides of the abortion debate. And now in Michigan, a group called the Heartbeat Coalition is looking to move the mark on where life begins with a heartbeat.
So by using a heartbeat as the marker, think about it at the end of life. You got to check to see if you got a pulse.
Mark Gurley is a board member for the Michigan Heartbeat Coalition. He says if the heartbeat bill can become law, it would make it a felony for doctors to abort fetuses the moment their hearts start beating.
Heartbeat detected, the baby's protected, and that happens around the 6 or 7 week mark that most ultrasounds can pick that up. So it would eliminate 95% of the abortions rather than regulating a few.
Planned Parenthood advocates of Michigan called the petition misguided.
We need to trust women, and that's the part that the folks that are really behind this disagree with us. We trust women, they don't.
They say Roe v. Wade needs to be upheld.
Under Roe v. Wade, which was 1973, said that in the first trimester it really can't be limited. In the second trimester it can be limited to maintain the health of the woman. In the third trimester it can be outlawed. So in the state of Michigan anyway, you're not going to be able to get an abortion much past about 20 weeks unless there is some catastrophic and severe fetal issue.
The language of the petition has 30 days to be approved. Gurley is confident the heartbeat bill is for the best.
It's in play in another dozen states or so, and so we're thinking, well, why not Michigan?
Right to Life of Michigan is not part of the initiative. It says if the U.S. Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade, Michigan's 1931 law banning abortion would go back into effect, making this initiative unnecessary. Live in the studio, Scott Walczak, WNEM TV5.